In today's video, I'll show you how to create gradients in Figma. Now guys, these are going to be some very simple ones, nothing too complicated here. So here we are in Figma, and what we are going to do is we're going to first make our canvas. So we'll click on rectangle and we'll just draw our rectangle over here. Then we want to click on fill on the right hand side. And we want to change it over to gradients. And now you'll see on this color chart, what we need to do is leave this on linear for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click to make more points. So let's work with 4 points for now. And then we'll click on each point at the bottom here to just change our colors. So these can be whatever you want, and we're just going to speed up till I am done here. Alright, so those are our colors. Now we can move these blocks, and if we move more to the line, just hover over it, we can rotate our angles as well. So we'll move these a bit closer. And now, if we want to make new patterns, what we can do is just change from linear to radial, angular, diamond, and so forth. And that's some quick and easy gradients for you. And again, you can come in and you can adjust these and move the blocks and rotate and so forth. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.